Hey. Before bed, I'm doing a shake, and I felt led to say this. Hold on. So guys, after my celebrations for my 60th birthday, God reminded me, okay, time to go back to no sugar. So I didn't drink the wine. I had a couple margaritas. I had a margarita, sat on the back deck in the sun, and I gave gratitude for my mind, everything in my body, like my joints move. Just live in gratitude, guys. Be grateful for your body. You can go through all the areas of the body that you used to not like. Like, I feel like I'm transforming. So, because of the food I was eating, it made me feel a little puffy. And I'm like, oh, I'm so happy that I know this about my body at this age and stage. Oops, did you hear that? I'm so happy that I know this about my body, that I learned how my body works. And I'm grateful that my body is giving me the signals that I need to go low sugar, no sugar again. Guys, I feel so much better. I'm processing. That's what that was. It's like when I get puffy, because of my, guys, if you've ever had any digestive issues, or if you're like me and you had IBS, whatever, you know what I'm saying. You're very sensitive in your digestive area. So it may take me a couple days to get back to normal, but right now I'm loving myself. I had to change out of my jean shorts, and my husband goes, why don't you change into some comfy shorts? Because I was like starting to unbuckle my shorts and loosen my belts because my belly needed to expand. So I loved my little belly and now it's going back down. Look, it's going back down because I was loving on it. Just did my reverse age. I was like, I love you. You're safe. You're in a good place. And guys, so now that my body's calm, I can focus on the wealth transfers. What does that mean? As I'm going to sleep tonight, all is well. I'm so excited for tomorrow. I'm excited. God, give me a dream that about the wealth transfer. So ask God to give you a dream before you go to sleep. Let your last moments in bed be, I love my bed. I love my bed. I love my bed. And just focus on gratitude as you go to sleep. And let me know how you sleep. I'm going to bed early, right? My husband's got this course, but it doesn't start until the afternoon tomorrow. So he's here with me with the dogs. I'm praising God that the dogs are completely healthy, that this cycle is over. So guys, nothing changes until you change the way you think about it, is the point here. So if you've often gone to bed regretting that you have to work tomorrow or whatever, change that. Go to sleep. Instead, just change that thought. I love my bed. I love my pillow. Just luxuriate yourself to sleep, because that will put you in the vibration of the wealth transfer. Because when all your problems are gone, you'll be able to sleep as if it's already done. Like, oh, thank you, God, for all the money that's flowing in my experience right now. Try that as you go to sleep. And I hope you can hear this, because I'm whispering because my husband and dogs are already up there in bed. So now I'm going to crawl into bed next to my handsome hubby, snuggle up, and have a good night. See you later. Hope this helps. Bye.